and how Americans can save $10,000 in a year. Imagine opening your bank account 1 year from today and seeing an extra $10,000 saved, not from winning the lottery, not from a huge promotion, but from simple smart money moves. It sounds impossible, but thousands of Americans are doing it every year. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can do it too. First, let's break the myth. Saving $10,000 in a year does not mean you need to earn six figures. It simply means saving about $27 per day, or roughly $833 per month. When you look at it that way, it suddenly feels achievable. Step 1, pay yourself first. Most people save whatever money is left at the end of the month, which usually means nothing. Instead, flip the system. The moment your paycheck arrives, automatically transfer money into a savings account. Treat savings like a mandatory bill. Even starting with $400 to $500 per month puts you halfway to your goal. Step 2, cut the silent expenses. Americans lose thousands every year on things they barely notice. Unused subscriptions, food delivery fees, daily coffee runs, impulse shopping online. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Cook more meals at home. Limit takeout to once a week. These small cuts alone can free up $300 to $600 per month. Step 3, increase income, not just savings. Saving faster becomes easier when you earn more. Consider a side hustle: freelancing, tutoring, selling products online, rideshare driving, or remote gigs. Even an extra $200 per week adds up to over $10,000 in a year. Many people reach their savings goal primarily from side income. Step 4, use the 24-hour rule. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 24 hours. This simple habit stops emotional spending and impulse purchases. Most of the time, you'll realize you didn't actually need that item. Step 5, make your money grow. Don't just let savings sit idle. Use a high-yield savings account so your money earns interest. It won't make you rich, but it accelerates progress while keeping your funds safe. Step 6, track your progress monthly. Watching your savings grow is motivating. Create a simple tracker or chart. When you see that number rising each month, you'll be less tempted to spend. Here's the powerful truth. Saving $10,000 isn't about extreme sacrifice, and it's about consistent habits. Small daily decisions create massive yearly results. If you start today, 1 year from now, your future self will thank you. Imagine the freedom, emergency security, investment opportunities, travel, or even a down payment on something life-changing. So the question isn't, can Americans save $10,000 in a year? The real question is, will you start today? If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical money strategies that can change your financial life.